Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to change nickname on Facebook. So for here you can just open the Facebook app on this Android device. So for here you can just click to the top right corner and you will have to click to the settings and privacy. So from here you can just click to the account center by Meta. So here you can just click to the of your profile by selecting your profile, and here you can see the name. So here you can change your first name and you can also change your last name. So you can just changing your category of name and you will just click to review change. So it's very easy and simple. You can change your name on Facebook. Hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.